Hey, welcome. This video we are going to go about the Excel Bootcamp, the Microsoft Excel Bootcamp Beginner to Advanced course. In this, I am going to give you introduction about what actually the MS Excel is, who this course is for, what is the demand for this Excel, basic topics Excel like formulas, functions, pivots, many things are there, as well as some of the advanced topics like BVA. BVA is nothing but the automation, how we can automate our Excel process. We will cover up these things. Excel role in data related jobs, amazing opportunities after learning and master this skill, how Excel is important in your career, as well as this is an amazing skill which will help you to grab more opportunities. Let's jump into the course module. If you like this video and the video content, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get all the updates, all the future videos and the courses available on this channel. Thank you.